Yo, what's up guys? How are you all? So in today's video we are playing Roblox Rivals with two idiots,
What?
Nova and my Dragon Ivory. So
No, I think, no, you're the idiot.
yeah, three idiots. We all three are idiots.
Hey, I'm
So
an idiot. Let's try limitless loadout. We can have sniper, minigun, AR, and then like something else.
but we don't have with them bot. So
Realistic.
Takuna is right now AFK. I don't know why we started the match, but he's AFK and Dragon Ivory is right here. Takuna, come back, bro. We
Hey,
don't.
okay,
What are
I
you?
know, I
This is
know the
limit.
guy.
This is not limitless loadout. You liar.
No, I said we should try it. No, I didn't say it is.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, today I accidentally started I started a match, started recording. I played for 5 minutes straight, and then I accidentally closed Roblox. I don't know how, but I did accidentally close Roblox. Everyone is up there, and I'm going to cook down here. How did he kill me midair? You're dead.
Go to my soul.
Gojo Saturo. Wow.
Okay, no. They
Takuna,
don't
what is
know.
Takuna doing? Takuna!
They don't know.
Takuna! Bro, how?
Oh, my God.
Why can't they
Oh.
find Takuna? I'm going to use short range weapon next round. They
Yeah.
found Takuna. They found Takuna. Bro couldn't headshot him. What the hell?
How? Stay standing still.
Bros, aim.
You just shotgun.
I'm using shorty.
AR.
Shorty. He's taking advantage of Takuna. Bro, he stole my kill there. Who is hitting me? How is he hitting me?
Um,
Actually, that is 6.7 seconds long. The song is 6 seconds long.
okay, I know where they are. They're on that side.
See you on the other side. As expected,
Okay.
you are a failure in life.
Oh. Bro,
You
both
got
of them are
cooked.
just going to the direction. My thing is not even letting me do it. Wow. He can't headshot a person who's standing still.
Because I am on his face. I don't even have time to use the
You
medkit.
can't even kill him. You failure.
What did you say? What does
I
the
said you
fuck
failure.
say? Ding 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 ding
You
ding
just
ding. That was not possible at any means to no scope me from there.
no use the scope. Okay, they're again on that side, so they're gonna be coming close. So I need you to do something in your life.
Takuna! Wake up,
Bro,
Takuna!
I think you should use AR because you're quite good with it. And it's
Bro, I need. Wow, you
bro,
got. You
how do
should.
you already
You should use your brain because you're quite good with it. Same with me. Yeah, I'm using air. Frick it. Bro, you're just standing still. Kill him.
they can't even fight. How did he not headshot him?
These guys are idiots. While playing against us, we are getting cooked. But guy was standing still. I think we should just stand still.
Yeah. No, while we're moving them, yeah, we're gonna hit the biggest trick shot in history while against this idiot. How do you hit shots?
Bro, become Homer. I actually don't know how to aim. Just do. Why
Bro,
are you spectating Afras?
no, I'm spectating you. No, it automatically sets me
How?
to him.
I'm using a freaking katana.
Bro, how did we get these guys? And they, okay, how did he not find out that this guy is AFK?
Kill him. Wow.
How do you miss a headshot when
Saturo,
he can't?
Go to Saturo. He's an idiot.
He's headshotting us from 10 kilometers away, but they can't headshot us. Guys, we're standing still.
Chakuna, why is that Chakuna? Bro, Chakuna is not back yet. It's been 5 minutes.
Just built different. He's surviving headshot.
Shh. Don't tell the real names. Just say Takuna.
I said Kuna.
Yeah, Takuna. Good Takuna.
Kuna. And you good job.
Chakuna. Takuna is getting killed.
Let
Let's
me
just
try
play
to
on a very big map so he doesn't get cooked easily.
talk.
I said a very big map. This is a small one. I'm going to use crossbow here.
It's big with your imagination.
What does the Takuna say? Ding 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 ding
I
ding
must
ding ding.
with me, they're headshotting me from like
Yeah, same with
there,
me. Same with me. Same with me.
and they couldn't headshot. No, they just come for 1 second, headshot me and leave. Well, if this guy is standing still,
Takuna
they
is
can't.
still dead. Takuna didn't come alive till yet. Bro, what the hell am I? Why am I getting cooked by level 28? I should have
Yeah, I
just.
need.
I should have just used a freaking AR or a sniper.
Your mistake.
Bro, he's using a burst and I'm getting cooked. Yeah. Finally. Obviously he got cooked. Behind you, Aslan! Back behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you! I told you behind you. I was spamming behind you.
Bro, I couldn't see him early and I had to swap out my weapons, okay?
I said behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you, behind.
Yeah, and he went down so I couldn't see him.
No, he wasn't behind you. He was coming behind you. Bro, how are you cooking them so easily?
Real good combination.
Someone came from the ladder. I tried to kill him. I got cooked. Tell Supernova.
He's coming.
Takuna,
Hello.
kill him. Takuna is coming. Takuna is coming. Takuna. He is here. Takuna. Takuna.
Ahmad, we have to use Molotov.
I have to use AR.
Got me here. How did you even get me into this game?
If they're coming towards us, we have to use Molotov.
Shut up. Shut up, Takuna. Video is going on.
How did you even get me? I was AFK, bro.
We are him.
I'll beat him for
How
1
is he
second.
not dead? Wasn't that a freaking back shot? I
Excuse
got
me,
an
what?
assist. I got an assist for someone. I'll just roam around. Now Takuna is here. We
Oh,
have
he's behind
back
you.
support. Never mind. We don't have back support. Let me run and med real quick.
Oh, you're staring into his face like he's.
Takuna, kill him. Right now I'm busy. Oh yeah, good boy. He just fell off. Takuna didn't do shit.
Bro, hey, hit us with the. Bye bye, I got to go and get a bit.
Bye bye, mom. Kalebi.
I'm using the Molotov in case he's come closest. Come closest.
I'm using a freaking knife in case they come close. I'm dead. They know that I'm dead. I am dumb. They try to take my flower, take for ransom. Oh shit, yeah, I'm dead. What are you doing? Oh, never mind. Sakuna helped someone.
Oops.
Oh,
There's a last person.
why aren't you guys auto sniper? Obviously, bro. What you doing? One guy left. He's behind. He's on this guy. You're cooked.
Bro, he's on yellow. Afresh, you can please do something with your life. Please. It's not
Never.
that. Afresh, when someone is in front of you, don't aim for the skull. Aim down.
Let me down. Bro is saying like he's the best player with RPG. Never
At least
mind.
I'm better than you at least.
Me?
What did I say? When you see someone aim down, don't aim straight.
I was unable to do anything.
You just have to do this.
This.
Don't. Fine.
This.
Whenever one of you is spectating me, I'll start teabagging randomly.
Who? Nobody spectated this guy.
Okay, understand?
Oh, bro, why? He's coming close. Now you're dead.
I love chicken.
What
I
are
love
you?
chicken.
Where is he? Why is bro aiming at me?
Wait, let me go behind him. He doesn't expect me.
Oh,
I did 50 damage to him. He is 50 HP. He's 50 HP. Takuna!
He ran away.
Takuna!
okay. Is he
He's
upstairs?
50 HP. He's 50 HP. Shut up. Yeah, good.
I'm
Where is
carrying.
Yeah, you are. Because you have auto aim.
Alright.
If I had auto aim on PC, I would be carrying.
Yeah, you're saying it like your AR and Uzi perfectly aligned shots.
No, AR has built-in auto aim. Can't do anything about that.
Auto, it has built-in auto aim, but it doesn't have built-in what I don't know what that's called.
Oh no,
Auto
no, no,
shoot.
no. Please make sure I'm safe.
Hello. Hello.
Please make
hello.
sure I'm safe. Never mind, I'm not safe.
I did 100 damage to a random person.
That random person is in front of me. And he just
It's
fell.
fine.
I did 100 damage to 2 random people technically.
One of them is dead. The other one you killed. Yo, I'm so proud! I'm so proud, Takuna!
I'm so proud of
I'm like a proud father, Takuna!
Okay, I'm just gonna walk away from this cringeness. Ah, why are you following me?
Why not? We're proud of you now.
Oh hell no. That's not something you say, bro.
Oh, nah, hell nah, bro, what the hell? Why is this guy trying to kill me?
I need to heal.
Sorry.
Killed some
I did
guy.
75 damage. I did 75 damage. I was sniping someone. He just pulled out from behind. I did 75 damage still.
Hello, you owe me that.
Yeah, this guy. The other, you guys can do this. You have more HP than him. Never mind.
Okay, yeah, I was behind him. How was that? Or not auto aim, if anything.
He is on mobile using an AR. What do you
I'm
expect?
behind him. Where are the bullets are heat? He has heat-seeking bullets. I'm behind him.
Hello.
Just turn that temperature a little bit higher. Wow.
Bro, how do you
April.
get-
Rest in peace myself. I got hit by a sniper. No, never mind. I got hit by a shotgun. Bro, the ladder was behind.
He's on the roof. And you're going
Oh, he is.
down.
No, he is not.
I was
Just-
behind him.
Idiot, Pro
What
Max.
bullet- No, what bullet is he using? Archer Morgan's bullets?
Hello. Hello, random skull.
Just do 50 damage. Nah, never mind.
Where is he at? Where is he at?
We dead.
Yeah.
No,
So-
no.
He doing na.
You, bruh.
Now we are cut off. You are clicking hard, no?
Okay,
That's the
Ahmed,
first
you
object.
take it, Ahmed. You give Ahmed support.
Where's Ahmed at? Ahmed's
Roof.
dead all.
He's coming.
Okay,
is
I'm ready. I'm ready for death. Come on, death. Come here.
I killed that, but the other guy killed me. You're
What is
I'm
this support?
Ahmed for some reason.
What is this
Aiming-
support? I'm giving him support.
Aiming
Bro,
at
you
Ahmed
said
for some reason. Wow.
What was
I'm
this
done.
support? Seriously, what was this support?
Oh, party back.
Wait.
Oh.
Let's do limitless loadout.
yeah.
Now let's do a mirror matchup.
मेरे man
That is,
can
bro. Tell this guy something.
Something.
Oh.
Shut
Else
up.
than that. Let's start 3v3 limitless loadout. It will be fun. I don't know how that works, but it will be fun.
You can put any weapon. No, you can put any weapon in any slot. Meaning you
Unlike
can
all of you, I have to go.
I once accidentally chose 4 snipers.
That is stupid.
Hey, at least you don't have to reload. That's a good thing.
Wow.
Guys,
I
burst
Energy
rifles,
rifle.
AR, snipers, and then crossbow.
Energy rifles.
Burst and
Energy
AR.
Energy rifles.
Bro, big arena, no big arena, bro. What are we going to do with the sniper there? Now I'd win.
1 for
Oh wow, everything is here.
Oh,
Let's.
everything.
I'm going to choose 4 wall horns.
Yes.
This.
Let me have good. I need good.
Just
Really?
RPGs.
I got melee. I need a melee. This should be good.
Yeah,
Bro, how did that become flashbang? I chose the freaking sniper. I mean the. Bro, just chose 5 bazookas.
5. I thought the limit was 3.
No, he chose 5.
I have 5.
Not you, this guy. Oh, I
chose-
cooked.
As
Every
well.
weapon is on.
Bro, what am I
Everybody
supposed to do? Freaking bazookas. Let me just become a freaking whole bazooka. 1,000,000% bazooka.
I'm also a 1,000,000% bazooka. Don't ask
But
questions.
what if I can just use smoke grenades?
I'm just becoming a fourth bazooka. Rest as my same. I'm not using flashbang.
जी एक मम्मा एक मिनट.
One is using sniper.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, I'm cooked.
Oh shit.
Oh wow! Trick shot. I think he's using sniper and revolver. Bro! Surfa is using 4 RPGs.
How did you know?
I'm spectating you. I like the Dragon Ivory's loadout way more than Surfa's.
Yeah, I have every support. I have every good weapon you need. Forget the
I have
secondary.
I have every single I have every single primary. I
I'm feeling
don't
the
need
cycle
anything.
movement.
I only need primaries. I don't need anything in life. If guy comes close, I use sniper. If guy stays away, I use crossbow. If guy comes too close, I use the this. I use the this. I use the this. Oh shit! How did I clutch that? Yeah, I got clutched. I did 37 damage to someone. No, never mind. I'm not using anything good. I'm just using spamming bazookas now. Don't care how. I'm just going to get 4 bazooka and spam all of them. This is not how our AR works. This is not the burst.
Nah, I'd win.
Bro,
Nah.
You're winning. You're winning. You're losing. Never mind. Yeah, bro, lost. GG.
Look, at least I did 40 damage.
At least I did 40 damage. Who told you to choose the sniper?
But should I choose the shotgun?
I have the best loadout ever. If you dare, then spectate me.
Oh.
How can I spectate you if I'm
Die.
dead? Someone took that.
Someone's like, I took that person. There are 2 people at the same screen. Okay, bye bye. I got to go and get the milk. I was gone. How did it?
Look at my loadout. Look at my loadout.
How?
Wait, let me do.
Yeah, this is actually good. Goated loadout.
Not, I'm swapping the AR with the shotgun.
Goated loadout. 4 RPGs.
Yeah, honestly. You don't have to wait for that reload time.
Wait, I'm actually smart. How is it? Man.
W's.
WRPG.
W knows me.
What does Nosley have to do with all of this? Oh shit.
Someone is with this.
WR. I don't
Bro.
know where people at.
I know one of them. I know 2 of them. I did 100 damage to 2 of those guys.
And I
Both of them are 50 HP. Wow, beautiful. You don't have to wait for the reload.
Bye.
He has 50 HP. How? Did he matter something? Yeah, he did.
Bye, bro.
Why? What do you mean by bye? Bro just left.
I really said,
Takuna left.
see shotgun. Ora, bro, ora.
What are we supposed to do? Takuna left. Wait, let me get at least a little movement.
Let you get a little.
Little
Let you get-
move. Little movement. Not a lot, but a little movement. How did that not hit? I'm running.
I saw him coming towards with Mach 10.
Oh no, I only have 3 bullets. Let me reload it.
Oh,
I'm dead.
bro just stared into my soul.
Then what?
One of them.
The other one is full HP. Never mind, he's 50 HP. Shotgun him! Actually, this loadout is good. Bro! You lost him. I said shotgun him.
Bro, see, my loadout is goated. Sniper far, scythe movement, and then shotgun.
I'm saying mad.
And then,
I also have a good loadout. Except no secondaries. Oh, quick scoped.
yeah, I saw him just get deleted off the screen.
Where is them? Shit.
Where is he?
On my face. If you are andha, you won't see. One guy is
I'm
left. Let me mad. Good. We cooked them.
Should we do this again? This loadout is actually
No,
good.
shut up. We are doing a 2v2 this time. 2v2 limitless loadout. Wait, let me start recording. This one is